The bird lands on the sandy surface of a village with the green background of India. With one of its legs raised, India red-nabed ibis stands foraging for food. It walks on the red color sandy surface in search of food. This video is made by Ganesh Balakrishnan, YouTube channel Shutter Press. Please subscribe and like. The bird searches for its species groups, searching and walking. When it finds its flock, it gets ready to fly. It flies away and joins its flock. Thanks to everyone who watched this channel.